Today we're going to be making brat patties. We're out camping, enjoying the second summer that Minnesota is getting. It's really warm out and nice, so we thought we'd get out one last time. And we're car camping, so we have all of the bells and whistles with us. So we're going to be making brat patties, and how we do that is we take regular brats and we take the case off of them. And then we usually just crisp up the case and give it to the dog. Put it in a cup. I'm using Corey's knife. Super sharp and easy to get this stuff off of here. So the reason that we take our brats and make them into patties to cook is that, one, they cook a lot faster, so you get to eat a lot quicker, which who doesn't like that? And they cook more even when you're using a grill, I think. So we like to take 2 brats and put them in a ball, like you're making a ginormous meatball. And then flatten it out into like a hamburger patty. And so we brought 6 brats, so we have 3 patties that look like this. So we're going to go ahead, get a fire started, and get these thrown on the grill. Alright, so I'm back trying out the Tokes tongs, which is pretty nifty. Just checking our brat patties. Maybe move that guy a little closer so he cooks a little better. But they're coming along really good. Not quite ready to flip yet though. Alright, so they're about halfway done, you can see, because around the edge on top they're starting to turn the color that they do when they're cooked. So we're going to go ahead, get under this one, flip it. Looks good. But you don't want to flip them before you see this color around that edge. Probably like, I don't know, I'd say like 1/4 of an inch, but I'm not that great at measuring. So, alright, we'll check back in just a little bit and they should be done. They're sticky. Hey. Oh, just like, don't burn them when I eat them. Alright, so we're back and these are done. Now, I forgot to mention earlier, but the reason you don't want to flip them until you see that they're getting done around the edge is because you really only want to flip them one time just to prevent them from breaking apart. And if they're not cooked all the way the first time you flip them, they're definitely going to be a lot flimsier and you might lose a piece in the fire. And just scoop them up. That's what they look on the other side. They look like delicious brat patties. Alright, so we're sitting down to enjoy these brat patties right off of our grill.
So good.
They have just enough of that like smoky fire flavor, but you can still taste the brat and the seasoning, and they are cooked perfect. I like kind of having a little crunchy edge and then nice soft done middle, and it is perfect. Thank you guys so much for joining us for lunch today, and I want to know what your favorite lunch to cook on the campfire is, so make sure to leave that in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next one.
Bye guys. So good. This fits a piece of bread perfect too.